Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in ivory. It looks awesome. You got that Jeep badging up front with the chrome accenting. You got your projector style headlights, and you also have your fog lights just down there with your tow hooks right over here. Right over here we do have our tires. They look awesome, lots of tread left on them as well, and those rims look very nice as well. You got your Grand Cherokee badging, as you do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there in the chrome. Coming around to the back here, we got the Jeep badging, 4x4 Overland, and you do have your parking sensors back here as well as your backup camera. It is an automatic open, so all you gotta do is press the button and it opens right up for us. Now back here we do have a lot of room. We got that covered there if we did need it. We can also fold this guy up right here, and we have our spare tire underneath. You do also have some speakers back here if you did want to open it up and play some music. Okay, we have our keys here. We have 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have that one to open up the back, and our remote start as well as our panic. And if it is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you as long as you got the key on you and you have the button there to lock it. On the door you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. This guy does bring in your mirrors. Handle here, seat memory, and some storage down here. It looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very nice. You got that Overland badging there. And they are electric as well, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support up there. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights, in-cabin lights, and that one's for our gas cap. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, our windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. It does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 19,000. Not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info. You have your fuel economy, trip A. You also have your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You also have your paddle shifters just back there. And then over here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab here. If you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, disc, or any of those guys there as well. You also have your controls over your heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel. You have your Uconnect apps here. Your climate control is right over here, and it does look awesome. You have the dual climate system as well, so you and your passenger can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here, and if you hit view map, you can see we are on Recreation Place. Then you also have your phone options right here. When we are in reverse, we have the ever useful backup camera, keeping us nice and safe. And then down here, we do have all of our other controls. So we have the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power off auto, front and rear defrost, parking sensors, eco mode, sport mode, and then you also have your traction control. You have a little bit of storage just right here. You can open that guy up, and you have a USB, aux cord, and SD card slot. You have your gear shift here. You have your cup holders, and then you have your controls over your four-wheel, your downhill assist. You have your your terrain selector there. And then this guy does raise or lower the vehicle. Now, in the center we have our armrest, doubles as a storage container. We have the CD player and all that stuff in there. And then we do have our locking glove box here with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have your controls over your sunroof. You have your universal garage door opener. Then over here you do have your sunglass holder and a massive dual pane sunroof, looking fantastic. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage down here. It looks awesome back here. It is the same material as the front, so you have the leather seats. You can fold this guy down here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold this down just right here, like that, giving you even more room in the back. And then you do also have your USB and your heated seats right back here as well. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. And that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.